Chef Yoda the dog here, and today's Monday meal is a spaghetti squash. And more specifically, how to cook a spaghetti squash in the microwave. My mom's going to show you how to do this, and she's also going to link to the recipe in the description box below from kitchen.com. But it's not spelled the normal way, so you'll see in the link. Anyway, so this was real fun, and my mom enjoyed it, but it took longer than it said on the website. I think because her particular spaghetti squash was so huge. So she'll tell you how long it took in the video for hers to get done. But it was longer than what the description says in the link below. So, anywho, this is a great one, so you can make a healthy gluten-free version of pasta for your family, and it's relatively inexpensive as far as gluten-free pasta goes, so give it a try. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, I'm showing you how to cook a spaghetti squash in the microwave today. Woo! So here's our squash. Notice we have poked holes in it with a fork. I scored it 2 different ways. I don't know which way I'm going to do it. They said to do it from stem to bottom on both sides. And that's where you cut it in half, and then when you bake it, or when you cook it in the microwave. But I've always cut it in the middle, so I don't know. It works either way. So we're going to see. We're going to see what I have room for. But you're going to put this in the microwave after you put your holes in it and score it for 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. We just got to make it soft enough to cut. Then I'll show you what you do. All right, so I've cut it in half the way they said, and they said to scoop out all the seeds and then to turn it upside down and put it in about an inch of water in the bottom of this and steam it for 5 minutes and then a couple of minutes until it's done. If the two sides won't fit in one dish, you can do them one at a time. All right, this is what it looks like when you've taken the seeds out and you flip it upside down, and I only have room for one side at a time. Fill up the dish with some water to where the bottom half of the squash is in it, inch max, and put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then if a fork can penetrate the skin of the squash, that means it is done. All right, one half is done. So this is the finished product. Just take your fork and move it off. So you want to be able to stick your fork into the side of the skin. And I just left the whole thing in the microwave while I did it to test to see if it was done. And it is. So I'm going to take this and put it in our little pan here. We got some Primal Kitchen non-dairy Alfredo sauce in there and some John Soul's fajita chicken. And I added about a tablespoon of garlic. So that is going to be our dinner. Spaghetti squash in the microwave. I'll do the other half. But this was, gosh, this is a big squash. So it was like 5 minutes, and then I did another 2, another 2, another 2, and then I just realized I just needed to do another 5. So I think it was like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus another 5, 16, like 16 to 18 minutes is how long it took for just this one half in the microwave. But you have to do it in intervals, so 5-minute or 2-minute intervals. All right, happy Monday.